Welcome to Car 765, channel the home of classic car passion. Today, we bring you the story of a truck that helped shape America's roads, farms, and hearts, the 1955 Ford F-100. It's not just a pickup, it's a living piece of American history, powerful, stylish, and unforgettable. History and background. The mid-1950s were a turning point for Ford and for America. Post-war optimism was everywhere, and people wanted vehicles that worked hard but also looked good. Ford answered that call with the second generation of the F-Series, and the 1955 F-100 became a national favorite. It was stronger, smoother, and more advanced, the perfect mix of function and beauty. From farmers to factory owners, everyone wanted an F-100. It wasn't just a tool, it was a badge of pride. Engine and performance. Under the hood, Ford installed the powerful 272 cubic inch wide block V8 engine, producing about 173 horsepower. It was the same engine used in Ford's passenger cars, proving that trucks could be fast too. This machine could tow, haul, and still keep up with highway traffic effortlessly. Whether carrying lumber or cruising through Route 66, the F-100 made every mile feel like a victory. Exterior design. The 1955 F-100 looked bold and muscular. Its wide front grille, curved fenders, and round headlights gave it that fearless face. Ford added chrome touches, sleek lines, and color choices that reflected confidence: sky blue, torch red, and raven black. It was more than a truck, it was a style statement. People didn't just drive it, they showed it off. Interior and comfort. Inside the cabin, Ford transformed the way people thought about trucks. The bench seat was wider and softer. The dashboard was clean, with bright chrome accents. The curved windshield improved visibility, and even the steering was more comfortable to use. Ford proved that trucks didn't have to be rough. For the first time, working people could drive something that looked good and felt good. Driving experience and suspension. Driving the F-100 was pure joy. The twin I-beam suspension design gave the truck a smoother ride, even on bumpy farm roads. Its manual gearbox was solid and dependable, giving the driver full control. Whether it was loaded with cargo or cruising empty, it maintained perfect balance. It was this drive quality that made the F-100 stand out from every other pickup of its time. Legacy and modern value. Fast forward almost 7 decades, and the F-100 still rules the world of classic trucks. Collectors and builders love restoring these machines. Restomod versions now feature modern engines, disc brakes, power steering, and custom interiors, while keeping the classic look alive. At car shows, when a shiny 1955 F-100 arrives, people stop what they're doing just to admire it. It's not just nostalgia, it's respect for a legend that refuses to fade. Restoration craze and pop culture. In recent years, the F-100 has become one of the most restored vintage trucks in America. Restoration shops and custom builders are paying big bucks to bring these classics back to life. Celebrities like Jay Leno and Tim Allen own fully restored F-100s, proudly showcasing them as American treasures. Even in Hollywood, the truck often appears in period movies and TV shows, symbolizing honesty, strength, and classic Americana. For many, it's not just a truck, it's a memory on 4 wheels. Collector value and emotional connection. Today, a perfectly restored 1955 Ford F-100 can sell for over $70,000 at auctions. But for real enthusiasts, it's priceless, because it connects generations. Grandfathers once drove them to work, grandsons now restore them with love and pride. It's living history, steel, chrome, and soul fused together. The F-100 isn't just part of America's past, it's part of its heartbeat. And that's the incredible journey of the 1955 Ford F-100, a truck that built America's legacy. If you're passionate about classic cars, you're in the right place. Car 765. Stay tuned for more timeless stories that keep the fire of automotive history burning bright.